Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will cover a very important topic that many people ask me about again and again. How to add crypto payment to your website. So I found a very helpful and easy to use plugin for you. The plugin name is Web3 Crypto Checkout for WooCommerce. With this plugin, you can accept USDT and USDC and Binance Pay, and the best part is no KYC is required. Now let me show you how to set this up step by step. So first go to your WordPress website dashboard and go to the plugins and add new. You can download this plugin directly from the WordPress plugin directory, or you can use the link I have provided in the description box. So in the search bar, type Web3 Crypto Checkout. Make sure the plugin is by Xenobank. So here it is. Now click on install and after that click activate. Now the next step is to setting this up in WooCommerce. So go to the WooCommerce. Now before setting it up, let me show you how the checkout looks right now. I will go to my website, add a product to the cart and go to the checkout page. As you can see, only normal payment methods are showing. There is no crypto payment option yet. So now let's configure the plugin. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to the WooCommerce settings and then go to the payments. Here you can see the payments option, and at the end you can see the Xeno Crypto Gateway are showing. So click on manage. Now to use this plugin you need an API key. Inside the setting you will see a link to create a Xenobank account. Click on this link. I will log in using my Gmail account. Creating an account is very simple in Xenobank. Once logged in, you will see the Xenobank dashboard. Now for the API key, we will go to the integration section. So from this sidebar, click on integration. Here you can see the API key. Just copy this API key and back to your WooCommerce payment gateway settings. Paste the API key here and enable the payment gateway. Click on save changes. And that's it, the plugin is now connected. Now let's go back to the checkout page again. As you can see, now USDT and USDC payment option are visible. Fill in the required information and place the order. Now when I place the order, the plugin will ask for payment. Here you can select the network. For example, I will select the Binance network. There's many other networks are also available. Click next. Now it will show wallet address, amount to send and QR code for scanning. You can pay by sending crypto manually or by scanning the QR code. Now go back to the Xenobank dashboard. Here you can see the transaction detail. For example, you can see the payment amount like 375 USD and payment status. This makes it easy to track all the transaction. Now if you want to enable Binance Pay, go to the integration section. Here you will see the different apps you can connect. For Binance Pay, click on connect and you will need a Binance Pay ID, API key and API secret. For this, click on their documentation link. So everything is explained clearly here. How to find Binance Pay ID, how to create API key, how to set permissions. Once you enter these details in the Xenobank dashboard, your Binance Pay setup is complete. So the major things are done. Now we will explore other things in Xeno dashboard. So I will go to the withdrawal and there is nothing available now. So I will go to the settings. Here you will see the two options, custodial wallets and not custodial wallets. So what is custodial wallet? Basically this means Xenobank temporarily holds your funds for you. And non-custodial wallets means payments go directly to your own wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If you want full control, non-custodial mode is the best option. And one very important thing, that it only takes 0.1 flat fee, no KYC and no monthly charges. This makes it is a very good option compared to many other payment gateway. So this is how you can add crypto payment to your WooCommerce website using the Xenobank plugin. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.